London Design and Engineering UTC is a brand new school. With partnerships with industry, we are creating the future workforce for this country.
This is the only engineering, technology-based school in East London, and not many schools really offer that, and I feel that they should at least value it, because we're coming to an age where computers and stuff are starting to get more important.
The student experience that I'd like to cultivate in the classroom is one where the students learn by experience, by actually trying the software out, finding what they don't know very quickly, and therefore asking the right questions during their learning. We're using industry standard software from Autodesk 3D Max. This is a media subject, so we're not looking at any one particular area of 3D modelling. But what I try to do is relate it to something that speaks to the students, which is of course gaming and virtual reality, and having all of the equipment here supports that really well.
In a school like ours, there are serious demands on the network. The network has to deliver. We're in a high-tech school, and therefore we need to be having the best equipment possible.
So as a teacher, what I really need to be able to do in the classroom is provide a service almost to the students that doesn't have any breaks in it. Because you all know when you're using the internet yourself or you're trying to download content that the most infuriating thing is the buffer wheel or things just not working. As a teacher, that's very difficult, very challenging if you have that, because particularly with my subject of iMedia and creative computing, I rely on the technology. And the students rely on that technology to learn and to take part in the lessons.
A big reason for our selection of Ruckus is we have a long history of them, so we've used them in a lot of high-density environments. We've looked in really large buildings, a lot in our preschool deployments, so they were the obvious choice when it came to this specific design. The key features being the high-density support, so this ability to support multiple tablets. That's a big focus for this school. They're entirely wireless. There's very, very little in the way of wired devices. So for us, something that supports a massive amount of tablets in one place at one time and all through the school, that's a carrier of coverage, was a really key feature for the selection of Ruckus in the school. Since the deployment of the solution, we've heard no wireless complaints from the school whatsoever. They have hundreds of students in and out of that building day in, day out. They have staff with wireless devices. There's been no issues around coverage, there's no issues of downtime. It's a solid, robust solution, and I believe they're very, very happy with what was selected for them.
We started in September, and since then I can't really think of a time where the network hasn't worked for us.
Having Ruckus Wireless at the LDE UTC means that we've got a secure, high-performing, reliable wireless network.